Learn past perfect tense by the Edutainment. The past perfect tense is used to show that one action happened before another in the past. It helps us to understand the sequence of events clearly. If we talk about its structure, you will need a subject, be verb head, and past participle verb means third form of verb. Remember, in this structure, we always use be verb head with every subject. Here are few examples like gone, eaten, visited, written, spoken, finished, etc. Now the question is that why do we need past perfect tense? We need it to show the earlier of two past actions. For example, when I reached station, the train had left. In this sentence, there are two actions. The first is leaving of train and the second is reaching at the station. To show the cause and effect in the past. For example, she was tired because she had worked all day. In this sentence, the first action is cause that she had been working all day and the second action is its effect that she became tired. To talk about the past experiences. For example, before moving to Lahore, I had lived in Karachi for 5 years. In this sentence, the first action is living in Karachi and the second action is moving to Lahore. The second part is past perfect. Let's take a look on some examples of past perfect tense. The metal had corroded in the damp air. In this sentence, the metal is subject, had is a be verb. Remember, we always use had in past perfect tense. No matter the subject is singular, plural, first person, second person, or third person. Had is always used in past perfect tense as a helping verb. Corroded is past participle verb, means third form of verb. Let's have another example. Her confidence had withered slowly. In this sentence, her confidence is a subject, had is helping verb, and withered is a past participle verb. You will often see these words with the past perfect tense, like before, after, already, just, by the time, when, until, or etc. For example, by the time the bus arrived, we had waited for 30 minutes. She had already left when I called her. Now it's time for activity. Let's do some practice. Find and fix the mistakes. Number 1. He had went home before the game started. She had saw the message in the morning. They had left the room when I arrived. We had ate dinner already. I had took my umbrella. Can you find the mistakes? Yes, the mistake is second form of verb because we know that in past perfect tense we always used past participle verb. So there must be gone, seen, left, eaten, taken. Let's do another activity. Choose the correct options. She was upset because her friend dashed her birthday. The options are forgot, had forgotten, forgets, is forgetting. The correct option is had forgotten. By the time we reached the cinema, the movie dash. The options are starts, had started, has started, was starting. The correct option for past perfect tense is had started. Number 3. Alina dashed all the cake before the arrival of her parents. The options are had eaten, eat, eating, have eaten. The correct option is had eaten. Number 4 is after he dashed dinner, he went for a walk. The options are finishing, finishes, was finishing, had finished. The correct option is had finished. Are you excited to listen a story? Let's start. Ali was a schoolboy who owned 3 lovely pets, a chicken, a colorful parrot, and a playful cat named Milo. He cared for them deeply, but the night before his exams, he had been so busy in the studies and had completely forgotten to feed them. The next day, during lunchtime, the thought suddenly hit him. He remembered that he had not fed his pets the previous night. The moment he realized it, he felt so guilty. After school, when Ali finally reached home, he hurried to check his pets. To his surprise, he saw that his mother had already fed all of them. The chicken was calm, the parrot was happily chirping, and the Milo, the cat, was resting peacefully after his meal. Ali's mother looked at him and gently said, Ali, when we keep the animals, taking care of them is our responsibility. Always remember, Allah says, show kindness to those on earth, and the one above will show mercy to you. Ali nodded quietly. The word touched his heart, and from that day on, he never forgot her advice. Was it an interesting story? Try to attempt the question and write your answers in the comment section. Why do you think Ali felt guilty when he remembered his pets? How did Ali's mother advise connect kindness with responsibility? If you were Ali, what would you do to make sure you never forget to feed your pets again? Number 4. Why is the past perfect tense important in this story? Explain your answer in 1 or 2 lines. It's very interesting exercise. Identify and underline the parts of sentence that use the past perfect tense. Ali had completely forgotten to feed his pets. His mother had already fed the chicken, parrot, and Milo. Ali remembered that he had not fed them the night before. The stress of the exams made him forget his routine. He never forgot the advice his mother had given him. Let me do the first one for you. Had completely forgotten is the part of sentence that use the past perfect tense. Arrange the sentences in the correct sequence. Ali realized he had forgotten to feed his pet. Ali went home after school. Ali was studying for his exams the previous night. His mother had already fed the pets. Ali was eating lunch during break time. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Press the bell icon to keep connected.